Otherwise, we can use this only. Okay. This is the exception handling concept. Okay. This one. Anyway, we are going to discuss this exception handling. Okay. This thing. Yeah. What about others? Raghu is not there. One sec. Outbound series. Okay. One sec. I am pinging Raghu. Okay. Raghu and others also there. Hold on, please. I am keeping on mute. Yeah. From today onwards, we are going to work with the outbound deliveries. For that, we require one customer. We create a customer. XD01 is the customer. Here, one account group is there already. Ship to party APO for external number range. Ship to party or sold to party. Okay, this one standard one. If we want, we can use others also. One is there AAPL customer. We can check. Already exist. AAPL customer we have. I think. Go to BP transaction. BP. BP transaction. APL star customer is there. The only difference is identification type between the vendors and customers. Customer CRM 00, CRM 002. Okay, this thing. Now we create a sales order in ECC VA01 transaction. VA01 order type OR sales organization 1000 hours distribution channel 10 division also 10. Go to here APL hyphen CUS is our this thing sold to party ship to party also this one material APL mat 1 some order quantity some 30 here plant APL double click on the item go to shipping tab here see here AAPS is game storage location AAFS actually our stack is storing in AAFS we know and go to conditions to give some price PR00 some 100 euros or whatever just enter and come back okay okay go to one sec yeah go to edit incompletion log either the document is correct or not go to here some terms of payments are missing click on this complete data again complete data cash on delivery some terms I am using W Document is complete. Just save it. 19157 is our sales document. Go to VL01N outbound delivery. VL01N outbound delivery. Shipping point is APS hours. Okay. Currently being used. I think little slow. Updation. Yes. Some delivery date is determined with some settings in the system. Go to VA0.
Sir, you can give selection date, future date. Just
Tomorrow's.
tomorrow day after. April.
Yeah. Some no, schedule. Okay. We can check in VA.
Display S1. Yeah, display S1 check.
Display which transaction? First date.
Yeah,
Third is there. First date.
Third.
Just select this. Schedule lines. 30. We can change it. Now it will allow. Why third means, yeah, I am checking. Good Friday, today holiday. Yeah, as for the factory calendar. 31st and 31st are these things, what holidays, yes, for the factory calendar normally. That's why it is skipping that, I believe. Okay. Normally weekends we are getting these problems. VL01N. Now it will come. Some three quantities. Save. It is distributed to WMS. Can anyone explain what is the reason behind this is distributed and how it is distributed, when it is distributed? Just can anyone just give some overview? We discussed during this inbound delivery why it is distributed, how it is distributed, when it is distributed. Okay, maybe yeah.
storage location is assigned to WM warehouse number.
Okay, that's fine. Partially, that's okay.
And,
Some part it is okay.
this logical system is mapping with.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, that's fine. Storage location is mapping for warehouse number and come to the warehouse specific parameters. Okay. Come to the warehouse specific parameters. Here we maintain warehouse as decentralized and this thing. And we are giving that distribution immediately document creation. That is happen now. Okay. This is the reason. And how means distribution model. In our distribution model, we have save replica for outbound also. That's what. Okay. That thing. Now we can go. EWM, we can go. Extended warehouse management, delivery processing, outbound delivery, maintain outbound delivery request. As of now, we worked on inbound. Now, we maintain warehouse, maintain outbound delivery request, outbound delivery request. Here, inbound delivery notification, outbound delivery request. ODR, we can call ODR. Go to here. AIPL. Execute. That is distributed. Okay. This thing AIPL is distributed. This one. Just now we created, right? This is distributed. Okay. And we can see this document category, document type, and etc. Just as like our inbound only. There in our ECC, this is the number. If we say 10 is the item category, go to header details, administration, LF. LF plus 10 is converted as OUTB and ODLV. OETB and ODLV. ODLV. Where we see this mapping is under interfaces ERP integration. Go to SPRO, IMG setup, SCM extended warehouse management, interfaces, ERP integration, delivery processing, map document types from ERP system to EWM. LF TAN. Our combination is LF TAN against this business system. LF. See here. LF. Next, item type. LF TAN combination. This one. Okay. We require any additional things in our ECC. Say for example, sometimes for some specific kind of delivery type requirement is there. Okay, and I want to integrate with EWM. That should be map here. Okay, delivery types. And this is the save replica or image copy. Okay, and if you see here F2 start type. Why F2 means I raised a sales order for AAFS available for sale storage location. If we recap our previous sessions, availability group 002 is mapped for that storage location. That availability group 2 is associated with F2. This is the one. Okay. If you go with any single storage locations, there is no difference. They can use only single availability group and run the story.
Sir, at the time of document type, we will be using a logical system or business system, sir?
Only pushing, distributing logical system, everything is with business system. Okay, processing and etc. If you see this configuration part, business system wise only, not logical system. Up to distributing the delivery, logical system can take care. Remaining everything business system.
Okay.
Yeah. Say
But
here.
here we did not mention any business group, no, sir. Previous screen.
Business
Just go
group.
to business system.
Yeah, he's here.
Yeah.
Blank means
We need
all entries. Blank means all
all.
entries. Okay.
Okay.
You can see here. Okay. Upside blank is there. This one. Blank means all entries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the document, if you want to find business system, I will show you. See here. See. Business system of sales order is the reference document. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Got it.
Yeah, and reference document here nothing is there. Okay, like this. Now here, unlike inbound delivery, we have three options: outbound delivery request, outbound delivery order, outbound delivery. Why three, not two? That is our question. Normally, in every interview, they are asking ODR means outbound delivery request, ODO outbound delivery order, body. Why three? Say for example, I have some assume that five outbound deliveries are there. Okay, and those are came from different customers. Some unique products are there, identical products are there. Okay, in that case, in my warehouse, I want to process those collectively every time for a single nut. I don't need go to bin and pick that nut, keeping in storage area. Say I want to collectively some five six customers outbound deliveries unique product is there, just a bulk I can bring staging area. From there individually we send to those items to the different customers. Means collectively process. So that method we can fulfill through some wave management. To use the wave management or to club the different outbound delivery line items with our common reference. Okay, we require intermediate document that is nothing but outbound delivery order. Outbound delivery order. Okay, with against the outbound delivery order, we do the picking, packing, staging, goods issue, and etc. Once we do the goods issue, one new document will be generated that is nothing but the outbound delivery. New document, outbound delivery. After goods issue only, this can be generated. This document is the reference document to update the ECC records. This outbound delivery. This can be generated after goods issue only. That we see. Now this is green and go to outbound delivery order. Go to default values.
Sir, this outbound order can be used as a delivery challan for the transportation.
No,
You can say like that. No, sir.
no. That is internal document, sir.
Okay.
This is outbound delivery order is pure internal document, pure internal. Request, nothing but warehouse request, sir. Warehouse request. What is the use of warehouse request to external customer? He requires only product. How I can pick the product through resource or machinery or collectively pick or else whatever it may be, he cannot bother. Yeah. Go to outbound delivery order. Why this document is generated? Yeah, usual PPF actions. Go to PPF actions. See here, one PPF action is there. This PPF action is created. During outbound inbound delivery, idea transfer we have seen. Now ODR transfer for this one. Outbound delivery order. This is in internal number ranges. This one. Go to follow on functions. Warehouse task. This is the warehouse task. Okay, our outbound delivery order becomes a warehouse request also. Okay, just create. No storage been found. Some error is coming. What is this? Go to message log. No storage bin. Okay. Before going to that, warehouse process type 2010 is triggering for this one. 2010. We know determination of warehouse process type with reference to document type and item type. See here 2010. 2010 is determining. Go to SPRO. IM the setup. SCM extended warehouse management. Warehouse cross processing settings. Warehouse task. Determine warehouse process type. Go to here. Warehouse number is GIPL. We know this logic. OUTB. But ours is no special. These are all, these three are IS, industry specific. This thing, this one, 2010 is determining. Now go to 2010, define warehouse process type. APL 2010. Go to here. See here, warehouse process category 2 for this one. Okay. Here destination is 9020, destination bin is GI zone is there. We can check 9020 not there. So I am selecting AIPL GI zone destination. If you use this warehouse process type, what is the end bin? This one, end bin destination. If you we see the inbound side 1010 GR zone we are giving, just like 2010 we are giving this thing. GI bin is there, we can check nothing. What we can do? We create one bin. Go to /n/scwm /ls01. APL GI zone. AIGI. Okay. This is ours. Now we do one thing. Go to SPRO. Extended warehouse management. Cross processing settings. Resource management. Define queues. Queue determination criteria. Go to APL. Here new entry. APL. Whatever the pick activity. Outbound queue. Not it. Outbound queue. Okay. We can maintain. We confirm our warehouse order through RF. Go to define queue types and define queues. Warehouse number. Outbound. Okay, here Q type also I'm not giving. If we require, we can give the Q type. Define Qs. APL outbound. Okay, RF. New entries. Outbound. Only activity I'm using. New entry. Activity. Okay. Now only activity. Come to document. Okay. Yeah. Go to follow on functions. Warehouse task. Create. Control data storage type is missing. System could not determine the source bin. What is this message? We can check. Source data is not determining here means not yet strategies defined. Okay. And one more thing, we check that just now GA zone we have created, right? That is determining or not. I am deleting this document, saving it. One new document will be generated through PPF actions. Okay, here it will not. Go to follow on functions warehouse task. Second one, right? Warehouse task. Go to default values. Here bin is not determined. We can give manually. We have not maintained this warehouse process type. After this transaction, we can maintain. Now, source bin, where this product is lying. Go to monitor. stock and bin, physical stock. Mm, 314, some 11 quantities are there. Fast 314. Create. Now create plus save. Come to here, some 2 warehouse tasks are created. I think different GR dates are there. That's why that is picked 2. Okay, this thing. Now come to queue determination. Outbound queue is there. We can assign this to our resource. Save it. Now if we see here, fast 314 to GA area, one product. Another product also 314 GA area, this one. We can check GR date 10703. Okay, 2 items are there. Once later on we can check why 2 warehouse tasks are generated. Okay, anyway, we got one warehouse order. We assigned this for resource also 30183. Go to that resource. First, we have look on our outbound delivery order. Any outbound delivery is there or not? Nothing. Okay, this thing. Once after completing the goods issue, then only it will come. If we see this document, picking not started, goods issue not started. If we go with any packaging or loading, that will update here. Okay, now go to RF environment for this resource. RF UI, enter outbound process, picking by warehouse request, picking by warehouse order, or system guided by queue. System guided by queue. Outbound is our queue. Queue belongs not to resource group. That's why this is not showing. F7 back. We maintain that also. Go to extended warehouse management, master data, resource management, maintain resource. Resource is maintained for resource group. Maintain queue sequence for resource group. New entries. Again, another resource group I am assigning. Come to maintain resource. Copy AOBD. We try. Okay. Source key must. Okay, one resource group only. We can do one thing. Same resource group. We can. Outbound. This one. Now again come to our this thing. One time log off and log on. Go to RFUI. Outbound process. Picking by warehouse order. Sorry. F7. Picking by queue. System guided. We are right. See here. This is the warehouse order. Okay. Leave this. Ignore this PKQ for some time. Okay. Click on the next. Source bin is 314. Scan it. Scan it. One quantity. Next, it will propose another two quantities. See here for these two quantities. Destination where you are keeping. Save it. Two warehouse tasks are there. That's why two times we need to confirm. Sometimes business asking us, okay, if the source bin is common, only one time it should appear. That possible through some customization. Okay, that one. Next, for next enter this one, it is coming. Okay, now go to this document 1866 18666. Picking is completed. Goods issue not started. Okay, goods issue not started. Now we can check for the options in RF for goods issue. It will not. Okay. Up to loading only, picking, packing, loading. No goods issue. Now, oh sorry. Click on this goods issue button. One delivery is created 4917 expedited delivery. Go to outbound delivery. 4917 goods issue completed. Now come to our ECC delivery. Environment document flow. Complete goods issue document. Double click on here. Go to MIGO display document. Movement type 601. Okay. This one normal our 101 like. Here major thing is three steps we have: outbound delivery request, outbound delivery order, outbound delivery, and after goods issue only outbound delivery can be generated. That outbound delivery is the document to carry the acknowledgement into ECC. Acknowledgement. Okay, this thing. Okay, this is the simple flow. This is the simple flow. Against that, we need to maintain strategies and steps. Say, for example, I want to pick the product, then moving to packaging work center, I want to build ship HUs, then if required, we can go with VAS, then loading, etc., etc., staging, loading, etc., etc. We can use for the POSC setup, multi-step movements. Okay, this is about the simple outbound delivery. Yeah. Okay, sir. For today, yeah, I'm closing the session with this simple example. And is it possible to attend tomorrow, sir? 7 to 9 2 hours, Saturday only.
We are okay, sir.